Here's a look at the cranberries. They got awful weedy and grassy really last year. I put down planter's paper and covered them with peat moss, but the grass still came in and I didn't get around to weeding them. But they did set fruit. And here's a berry from last year. Soft. Obviously nothing you can eat right now. A decent sized cranberry though. So yeah, one of those jobs that we didn't get to last year, picking cranberries. We got to it this year. You can see there's quite a bit of cleaning to do. There's some more cranberries in that mess of grass. Honeyberries down there. The wood chips do a real nice job. The grass is creeping in from this side of the fence into the cranberries. So I might try some organic herbicide this year, Avenger. It's basically made with citrus peels, so it's acidic. We'll see how that does at keeping the grass out, if we can get to it. Right next to this honeyberry, you can see the rabbit scat, but you can also see the planter's paper from last year. So it will last quite a season. The planter's paper does a pretty good job. There's some more right there. So we'll keep you updated, see if we can get things cleaned out today as the weather holds, and finish cleaning up the mess from the elm. Thanks for watching.